Welcome to UGC NET Computer Science and Application and GATE Computer Science students. Okay, so here I'll be teaching another concept in TOC. What is deterministic finite automata? There are so many types of language present in TOC. The first language is said to be deterministic finite automata. What it is? It is a phi tuple. Okay, so you want to define DFA with L equal to Q sigma rho Q naught F. Okay, where Q is set of states in the automata, sigma is nothing but a set of input symbol, and this rho is nothing but transition function. And your transition function, if you are taking any state accepting any input, it goes to one state. Okay, so which is Q. Q naught is initial state to represent, and F is set of final states. Okay, and now I am going with one example. Construct a DFA which accept input over sigma a comma b star, which mean the input is combination of a and b. That is the meaning with the substring ab. Okay, what is the meaning is, if you are taking any language is nothing but set of valid strings. Every string supposed to as ab as substring. That is the meaning of this language. Now how to approach this problem, and actually to construct any DFA for problem statement, you want to apply trial and error only. There is no other provision. Okay, so and also we want to keep what is called self-balancing. I'll be teaching okay, so after discussing about what it is. Okay, so now we need to have substring AB. Okay, so now what is this language? Now I can take AB as a string, or B as a substring or a string, and B B a string, or like this. So look at here, every string has AB as a substring, AB here, and here also AB here. Okay, so now AB here also here, then whichever AB coming first, it will be recognized as substring, so not this one. Okay, that is the meaning. Now I want to construct the DFA. Usually you want to keep initial state Q naught, and now you want to make transition from this Q naught to some other state with a valid substring. Okay, now in substring we have AB. I am going to use this A as input to move from Q naught to Q1. Okay, after that immediately with the help of this B, I am going to move from Q1 to Q2. Okay, once I am reaching substring AB, I can finalize this as final state. Okay, after that we want to check all the possible string with the constructed DFA. For that, what I has to do is nothing but I want to self balance each and every state. Okay, now how to represent start state is there is a circle inside, you want to represent its label whatever state name, then towards arc we want to keep, that is a DB start state. Okay, this is a DB start state, and double circle is nothing but final state, and rest of the state is a DB ordinary state. Okay, so here from Q naught I represented A move, but what about B? Okay, for that I introduce a self loop. Okay, B, which means before A, if any number of B coming, then this will take care. Okay, for example, I tell you one of the concept. We have some any number of B followed by AB, then this all B has to make a transition from Q naught to Q naught itself. That is the meaning. Okay, so now that is the meaning here. Now if you are coming for Q1, for that one of the valid move is for B transition. Now what about A? I can introduce self transition here. Okay, A here. Okay, so now what happen is any number of b followed by 1a followed by any number of a again, then followed by b, reaching that. From this any number of a, it accept final a as valid substring along with this b. Okay, so that way we want to discuss. And finally here also you want to keep self loop. Okay, so once I have recognized a and b as substring, I may introduce any number of a and b later. Okay, it never disturb it. Okay, so that's why this is the write DFA construction for given problem statement. Now I want to validate whether it is correct or not. Okay, for that I want to go for what is called transition function. Okay, I am going to take triple B followed by WA followed by A. Here AB is nothing but substring. So I introduce transition function symbol, and I am keeping starting state, I am keeping your input string. Now what happen is from this start state it accepts first symbol and goes to whichever state here. Okay, so from q naught accepting b, it has to go to q naught itself. So I reached q naught, then remaining symbols are b, b, a, b, like that. So I already explained. Okay, if we are initially having any number of b, it has to go only q naught. Okay, so for this b it go here and one more b there. For from this q naught accepting this b, it goes to again q naught here, and remaining symbols in string is a, b. For accepting a from q naught goes to q1, q naught accepting a, it goes to q1. So again ab here, from q1 accepting a, it goes to again q1, self loop. Now q1 it have only b, for accepting b from q1 it goes to q2. So q2 is belongs to final state, so it is valid construction for the given problem statement. Okay, I hope you understand it. Okay, thank you for watching.